everyone, welcome back. This is the second part of dictionary functions. Let us continue the functions using Python window. Now let us get what is the old dictionary we created. EMP is here. EMP dot clear off. This will remove all the items from the dictionary. So that means it will become empty. EMP is empty now. Let me create one more dictionary called EMP PD, personal details. I have here Gmail, abc @gmail.com. Next I have here account details 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I am having two details in EMP PD. Now if I want to take these two values to the previous dictionary, that is EMP, I can update this EMP dot update of EMP PD. So these two details, that is two items, will be updated to EMP. Let me check EMP. At the same time, EMP PD will remain as it is. There will not be any change. DICT off. This is a method which will convert any other sequence into dictionary. But I have elaborated this in my video number 52. Please go and watch that if you want to know more about this. The link is given in the description. Now I have a list. Now in this I have many tuples. One is 1, 2. The other tuple 100, 200. Another tuple 500, 1000. If I want to put this into another dictionary called D, so D equal to I give. I execute this. Now D is a dictionary which is having 1 as a key and 2 as a value. Similar way 100 as a key and 2 as a value. You can see this. Now let us see some min and max functions. Sum of D. This will take the sum of the keys, not the values. So that is 1 plus 100 plus 500. So 601 will be the answer. Similar way, min of D will give 1 which is minimum in the key. Similar way, max of D will give the maximum key. So that is 500. I hope these are very clear to you. Here is the summary what we learned now. Thank you for watching this video. Let us meet in the next class.